Come test drive the 2025 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: mud guards, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, automatic climate control, first aid kit, cargo tray, lumbar support, carpeted floor mats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.